Hey y'all, today we're making air fryer bacon. Okay, so what you're going to need is, of course, you're going to need your air fryer. I'm using the Ninja Foodie Grill, and you're going to need bacon, thick cut bacon, y'all. I just can't see it any other way. No thin bacon over here. Okay, so we're going to get our bacon ready, which doesn't take much, right? But we're going to go ahead and preheat our air fryer, 360 degrees. And we're going to put this on 10 minutes. You can set a little bit higher if you think that you're going to need more time for your bacon, but it needs about 10 minutes for it to be crispy. You can always, change your cooking time throughout the cooking process, of course, with any air fryer. I just happen to be using the Ninja Foodie Grill today because I bought it and I love it. So we're just going to start by layering the bacon in our air fryer. So mine fits about 5 slices at a time, so they're not overcrowded. I never overlap my bacon. I just lay them in here just really close together and so they can cook evenly. You don't want to overlap your bacon. So like I said, so each part cooks evenly. You don't have some pieces that aren't cooked as well. Okay, so this is about 5 minutes through, so just showing you all what it looks like. It's not done, but 4 minutes later, look at it. It's pretty, almost done. So what I like to do, even though the air fryer cooks pretty evenly, I always flip it. It's just a thing that I have to do. Like, there's a little light piece on that side. I always flip it just to make extra sure that it's cooked all the way through very evenly. So you just move your pieces around until you get them flipped. Like, as you can see, they don't need any, bacon makes its own oil. Don't add any oil to this bacon or anything else, just the bacon, unless you're going to, candy it or something like that. But we're just making plain old air fried bacon. This is my favorite way to make bacon for breakfast. So we got our bacon flip. We have 1 minute left on here, and just, close the lid. I always, go back and check, like right before the timer is about to go off, see if I need any extra time. We're good right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my bacon and place it on a paper towel cover. This is a sheet pan because I wanted plenty of room. I'm doing 2 batches of bacon for you all. So just put your bacon on a paper towel covered dish or cookie sheet, and then drain the excess oil, and y'all, your bacon is good to go. Y'all, I used to bake bacon in the oven. I used to pan fry it on the skillet. All of that is good as well, but I love making it in the air fryer. The oil just drips down. All I have to do is, pour the oil out of my air fryer later. I just love it. It's just so carefree. So like I said, just, make sure you pat the oil, get any extra oil out, and then I just cover it so, it can continue to soak up that extra oil. And it saves you a lot of fat that's in your bacon. And that's it, y'all. Air fryer bacon. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Definitely try this recipe. And y'all come back for more later. Thank you all. Of course, I got to give y'all a close-up shot of this bacon. Look at there. Nice, even, crispy bacon. Y'all are going to love this.